Looking for the fastest, easiest way to wipe out stains from algae, mold, and mildew from your outdoor surfaces? Then you need 30 Seconds Outdoor Cleaner with Hose End Sprayer. Here's how to use it. Always begin with a dry surface, and to avoid faster evaporation, work on a cool or overcast day. To begin, attach the sprayer to your garden hose. With the sprayer in the off setting, turn your water on. Then turn the sprayer to clean when you're ready to apply the cleaner. To reach second stories or roofs, simply remove the red fan tip for additional reach. Thoroughly saturate the surfaces you want to clean. Coverage will vary based on the heaviness of the staining and how porous your surfaces are. Keep the surface wet with cleaner for the time listed on the bottle, between 3 and 15 minutes. If needed, give the stains a quick brush just before rinsing. Areas of heavy staining may require additional soak time or a second cleaning. After the appropriate time has elapsed, use the rinse setting to rinse the area clean. Make sure to spray down any foliage that was directly sprayed. The cleaner breaks down readily in soil, so it won't harm the root systems of your plants. 30 Seconds Outdoor Cleaner is safe to use on a variety of surfaces, including natural or composite wood, vinyl, metal, and even canvas awnings. While the hose and sprayer bottle isn't reusable, it is recyclable, so please be sure to recycle it when you're done.